Hi guys, just wanted to give a quick update video for the channel at the minute. I've explained more about it in today's video that I'm filming at the minute, but we are going to change a few things around. My mental health took a bit of a hit over the weekend and I just sort of gave up. I think it's just getting too much running the channel, doing 5 days a week or every day of the week, you know, to upload. We've got a nice sunset at the minute here. We're just at some random rest area in Indiana at the minute. But yeah, it's just been getting a little bit too much to try and get a video out every day. I felt like it was just getting a bit samey, so I'm going to drop down to one video a week. Just sort of film like the best day of the week or something like that, or just something different every time. And it isn't just the same video that's coming every week. It's every day it's something different. So yeah, I'm going to start uploading on a Monday. There might be more than one video in a week. It's not possible, might do two, but I'll put up if there is going to be another video coming in the week at the start of the video. But yeah, I've explained more about it into the video that I filmed today. That'll be coming out on the Monday coming. But yeah, we're going to still keep going on the channel, and I've explained a bit about the reason why as well. I wanted to change the channel to free up more time for me in my personal life at home, you know. But yeah, I'll get off and keep this short because we're just parked up. We've got a long run. We're heading down to Memphis at the minute, and yeah, I will see you all soon.